Hello everyone, it's Mudit and this is the 14th video of the game. So as you can see, I was going to show you day and night cycle, but this is fast forwarded right now. It's not going to be this fast in the game, but it's not something difficult to implement. But the reason I didn't post for a few days is not because of this being difficult or easy. It's because as you can see, I have a new laptop right now. This is a faster laptop. So I was just waiting for this to arrive and I had the files for this video ready in the past. Like for the past few days. I didn't actually record it, that's it. So in the next video, I'll show you the menu and I'll show you some more graphic options that I have made in the past few days. And that's it for this video. In the next video onwards, the videos are going to be much better because I have this new laptop right now. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you have interest in this type of content, then do consider following me. And if you know someone who has interest, then do recommend my account to that person. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.